Don't push me off. Just living his best life in the mud. Oh, my feet are slippery. Might have to ditch my shoes.
Your feet, I don't know.
Look at them.
I feel like mine are not as dirty as yours. I mean, maybe they are.
No, not yet.
Oh shit!
Cold as fuck, right? Yeah, I thought so. Okay. Oh my fucking god. Ah! Ah! This is like the sea in the UK. Ah, yeah. I'm gonna go up onto that rocket maybe if I can make it without dying. Ah! So fucking cold. Ah! 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 Oh, I can't feel my toes. Ah, that hurt. How the fuck are you standing there? A row from the hot springs. It's nice.
Why can't I feel right?
Oh,
Open my eyes.
my eyes are like cloudy now.
My contact is cloudy.
Yeah, I think it's just from the water then. You can do it! You can do it!
Stand over there.
Oh yeah.
Game on.
He needs the right shoes though. I've done all sorts of exploration with these bad boys. Hot springs. Smells like sulfur. Literally just by the side of the road. Gotta love Thailand.
You can share your eggs.
Gotta boil some eggs using.
Hard-boiled eggs.
It's kind of soft. I think I'll go for.
Because they're written down.
Yeah, so 7 minutes. I think we're gonna boil our eggs. Ah, I see. So use the sticks. Because I was like, how the fuck am I meant to reach boiling water with it?
Do you want me to film you?
Can be camera woman.
Wait. Okay.
I'm guessing just.
You're going to boil some eggs.
Yeah.
Okay.
With my big
How
old
do you do
fucking
that?
stick. Over there, maybe. Oh, we can go
Not here, probably.
It's like the opposite of fishing. You already caught what you need. Right, we need to set a timer.
Oh.
It's 40 past. Perfect. Wait, so do I stick it right in the water or?
Probably. I don't know. Or maybe just in the water. Why not just in the water?
I want it real boiled. Oh shit, this is like strong. Right, might have to like...
Probably just the water. Okay.
Taking my eggs. Good hot. Like that's burning.
Well, look at the sign.
And let's see how hot it is here. Jesus. Oh, it's still really fucking hot. Yeah. Like, the steam's still like coming off. And this bit's cooler. Yeah, oh, it's still fucking hot. That's crazy. Well, I guess you can see the steam all the way across. Kind of interesting. It's literally on the side of the road, and yeah, you just go and see it, do what you want. Tempted to have a little dip. Yeah, it's still fucking hot. Oh fuck. Yeah, you could still boil an egg right there. Wow, like it's like 30 degrees outside, but the heat from this is wild. I don't really want to slide in. Yeah, still fucking hot. That's cool.
Can't see, but it's 20 more seconds. It's the time.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Drag my eggs back. Okay.
Please don't go over me.
Did Mother Nature cook our eggs?
Probably yes. Eggs.
Sofa. Alright, let's go give it to the lady and see what she's gonna do with it. Or she's just gonna be like,
We're gonna eat
oh
it.
yeah, look, that one's like definitely cooked. It's got the white stuff coming out. Okay.
Yes.
Will you just take out this? Thank you.
Whoa.
Hot.
Hot.
Yeah.
This for you. Right?
Sorry?
Yes.
Oh, this one's yeah, I
Yes.
can take. Okay.
Fine.
Thank you.
You want to
Oh, you have maybe, what have you got?
this soy sauce
Soy sauce?
and salt?
Mm-hmm.
You want to salt?
Yeah, okay. Alright, so soy sauce, salt, and some eggs. Nice. Oh fuck, it's still really hot. Yeah, because you didn't, normally I'd put them in like cold water. It's boiling. Oh. I put it in the river for a little. Oh, can I borrow your ice?
Yeah.
Gotta cool my eggs down somehow. Okay, maybe it's okay. It's not like scalding hot anymore. It's pretty.
Oh, it's soft, right?
Mm.
Soft boiled. I'm not the biggest fan of soft boiled egg.
Well, you can go chuck it in for another 10 minutes. I've never had it with soy sauce before then. I might do a bit of salt first. Oh shit. You want to try one with me or? Tastes like an egg. I'll try this way. Ooh, real salty sauce. Well, not too bad.
It's an egg, right?
Mm. I mean, it's a cool way of boiling it though. Long Neck Karen village. This is where long neck Karens come to complain. Because stupid tourists will come and pay for any old shit. A bamboo
Do you want to
bridge
boil
on
an
land?
egg? Yeah.
Yeah. Walk around the rice field. Okay.
What?
Walk around the rice field. Okay. I pay.
You can buy stuff. Oh my god.
Mm.
They have hats.
Hello, Sawadika.
So is it this? Yeah, it's this, right? This.
Scratchy, scratch.
Hello, Mr. Dog. Peaceful place.
And my friend. Yes. Don't be lazy. Yeah. Okay.
Off-roading, whoop, with our masterpiece of scooter. It's a nice view though. Ooh, nice.
Wait. Video it and I'll do a burnout. Alright, let's go before we run out of fuel. We haven't got much fuel left.
Sometimes, of course I do, but I just
Sometimes the scooter chooses a path, not me. It's like, we're going here. I'm like, okay, I'll do my best. Who needs off-road bikes?
when you can have this nice.
Yeah. Kopkunka. Just topped up like 50p's worth of fuel. Do the thumb. Do the thumb.
Oh, the farm. Yeah, but
Yeah.
farm.
Fun times. We got a ride. Oh, good, yeah? Alright. Alright, jump in.
How do I get on?
Nice. Okay. All right. Okay.
So he just asked where in Chiang Mai. I was like, here.
Anyway.
Ah,
Thank you so much.
thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Yeah. Yeah, he's not messing about as well. He's going for it. So if we crash it, then we're gonna die.